CenDale sent me this Cyanotype Kit to give a try. So I'm kind of excited to try this. I had heard of it before. It has a good user's manual, the two parts A and B. It came with the brushes, some gloves, and some measuring utensils. You mix this equal parts. So I'm going to be doing this a little bit different than most people do. I am going to be applying stickers. I am also going to be doing this process on this shirt. So you want to make sure if you're using cloth that it is a natural fabric. So this is a cotton shirt. So I have a piece of cardboard in between because I am not going to be doing this process on the whole shirt. I'm just going to be doing it on part of the shirt. The reason I am showing you this right now is because this has to be put on in a dark room. You do not want to expose this solution to light. So I am going to be just putting this on in this area. I am not going to tape it off or anything. I want it to have a look of kind of a ruffled edge, or an uneven edge. And so when I go and put this mixture on, you're going to want to put it in the area that you want to change to the blue color. And that is just going to be this area here for me. I am not going to tape it off, like I said. Be sure to wear protective glasses, gloves, and have this in a well-ventilated area. So now before I mix my solution, I have put a couple clips on here to hold this in place. So when I start putting this solution on, it is going to stay in place. I don't want to get it anywhere that I don't want it to go. So again, be sure to wear protective gear. You may even want to have a face mask on for this. That is up to you. But now I'm going to mix the parts, and then I'm going to go into a dark room. Now I don't have a dark room per se for photo, but I do have a room that I am going to keep dark. After this solution is put on, it has to dry completely. So I have my gloves and I have part A and B ready to mix. I've got my bowl here to mix it in, and now I have to turn the light out. So I am going to be mixing equal parts of A and B in the dark. Here is after I've added the solution in the dark room. Now it has to sit and dry. Make these stickers. I started out in my Creative Fabrica. I have the All Access account, and I picked these designs. I thought that would be really pretty on this project. So then I brought that into my Cricut design space here. As you can see, I've got the floral images, and then I have the word hope as well. And so I am just going to be cutting these out of sticker cardstock. I want them to be nice and heavy on the material. So let's get these cut and we will move on to the next step. So I am still in my room that is darkened, and now I am adding the stickers onto the cyanotype coating here. And so we will be taking this outside. I did do two shirts. And here is the other shirt. This is the first shirt that I put the solution on, but this one took the longest to dry. So I am going to be taking the other one out first. All right, I've got it out here in the sun. We're going to leave this for 5 minutes. For this first rinse, I'm going to add a little bit of hydrogen peroxide to cold water. All right, it's in the water. Sorry, it's this angle, but I got to get the rest of the stickers off. Looks like they're coming off pretty good here by themselves. So I wanted to get this in the water so you could see that. Wow. And now I'm shocked because I didn't think this was going to work. So let me rinse it and we'll get another look. So I've got most of that green washed out. I just have to keep rinsing this, and then I will hang it up so you can see it when it starts to dry. But it is incredible. Turned out really good. Now this is after washing and I've got it outside to dry, but I am so happy. This turned out amazing. And here's the first one. I'll have this one out for 5 minutes as well. And this one was the first one I did. It just took longer to dry. The peroxide bath is done, and now I am just rinsing it with cold water. It's really hard to get a video of this without my shadow in there, so I apologize. This is a lighter fabric cotton, and so I don't know if that's why, but the letters and the flowers aren't as white on this one, but I'm still really happy with it. So again, they're not the same brand of t-shirts. They're both cotton, but I really like how they turned out. So let's get them dry. Here they are next to each other. This is after washing these in cold water in my washing machine, and then I hung them to dry in my house. I did not put them out in the sun. And these are completely dry, and I just love how they turned out. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and see links below. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.